Welcome. In this video, I'll give you an overview to navigate this course in Blackboard and MindTap. To begin, when you enter the course from Blackboard, you will be directed to this course information page. This will be your course homepage. This page contains the syllabus and the course schedule, instructions for registering for MindTap on Blackboard, as well as a link to our course in MindTap. That is this bottom link here. We will go back to that in the next video. What you'll also see on this page are the introductory videos or anything else that may be helpful or important. I'll go ahead and post it here. If we are navigating on from this page, we'll go to this left toolbar where we see course content, which I'll get back to in a few, course question and answer, course Q&A. This is a link that brings us to the discussion board where you can choose the course Q&A forum, create a thread, and ask a question about the course. We can go ahead and post that, and anyone in the class can answer that, or I will jump on and answer any of these questions. I want to make sure that this is our primary form of communication for general course questions, questions about content, questions about due dates, anything like that. And I want it to be in this location so that everybody has access to that. If there's anyone with the same question or wants more information, they can tune in here for that answer, and everyone will have access to that same info. If there is something more personal that you'd like to reach out to me for, you can go ahead and email me. But again, if you ask me a general question, it's likely that I will post your question and a response in this board rather than emailing you back specifically. If you have any concern, know that I will use discretion in posting anything. If it seems personal, I'm not going to post it, but feel free to let me know if there's something you specifically don't want asked in this forum. Additionally, in this toolbar, we can see where course announcements will be. This will be anything about tests, change in due dates, anything else coming up, and then a link to email where you can directly email me, or you can reach out to anybody else in the course and ask any other questions or connect that way. Below are a couple helpful links, a link to My Plate, choosemyplate.gov, and a link to the 2015-2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans. Both of these will be referenced in your text, so I just included these links here in case you wanted to explore those a little more. Additionally, we have some other links, course tools, Blackboard introduction, etc. Any typical links that would be in any Blackboard course. They're not specific to this course itself. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to go up to this course content link. This is where we have another direct link to our course content in MindTap. And you can see we have our various course modules available. There are 4 course modules, each of them with about 3 or so chapters, and each module represents the information that we will learn that will be part of the associated exam. So I will click on Module 1 as an example to show you what these will look like. So when we open up a module, we see a couple of things. We see a table of contents on the left, and we can see everything that is in the module folder. So first we have Chapter 1. That's the first chapter that will be due, and we can click on that directly. We can scroll through these arrows over here, or again, like I said, we can click through the different topics on the left. In each chapter, we will have readings, study tools, and assignments counting towards grades. When chapter 2, chapter 3, etc. are available, they will also show up under here, but those will not be available until the week that they are assigned. If we are wanting to link to Blackboard, link from Blackboard to MindTap specifically, we do have the option of clicking on one of these links in the course table of contents for the module, and we can click right here to launch that assignment specifically, and it'll bring us right to that. That's not the only way to access the assignments, but that is one way to do it. So I am just going to navigate back out to the modules just for a moment. And at the bottom of this page will be where we can find links to any exams. As I'll show you in the next video, the exams will be available through MindTap, but we can also access them here. I want to make sure that whatever works for you in terms of access, that you can easily find that.